Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the FlashFish's 560 watt portable power station. It is a 140,400 milliamp battery backup emergency power station with dual AC outlets, 4 5521 DC output ports, a cigarette lighter output port, and 4 USB output ports. So taking a closer look here, it is one hefty power station weighing in at about 12 pounds, and it measures in at 288 millimeters by 189 millimeters by 166 millimeters, which is about 11 inches by 7.4 inches by 6.5 inches. So in the front, we have the input ports. We have a DC 13 volt to 22 volt 6 amp max standard Anderson input port to connect to a solar panel charging power source to charge up the built-in 3.7 volt 140,400 milliamp size battery. We also have the DC 15 volt 6 amp 5521 barrel connector for the provided AC adapter cable to charge it up as well. It can also be charged up using your car with the provided cigarette lighter power cable. It will take approximately 8 to 10 hours to fully charge. So we have an LCD display screen in the middle showing the current status of the built-in battery, and here we have the USB output ports. There is a USB 5 volt to 9 volt 2 amp Qualcomm Quick Charge 3 port, 2 USB 5 volt 3.1 amp ports, and a USB Type-C 5 volt to 9 volt 2 amp Qualcomm Quick Charge 3 port. Simply press the USB push button switch after plugging in a USB device to power up the ports. And there are two 110 volt 60 Hz 560 watt universal AC power outlets. To activate these, simply connect an AC appliance which require less than 560 watts and press the AC power button. There's one cigarette lighter 9 to 12.6 10 amp output port and 4 5521 DC 9 to 12.6 10 amp output ports. Now 5521 is the dimensions of the connector port, 55 being the 5.5 millimeter outer diameter measurement and 21 being the 2.1 millimeter inner diameter measurement. So you can use input cables like this cigarette lighter cable. Here we have the power button, we have the DC power button, and here is the AC power button. So simply connect the DC outlet to a device and push the DC power switch to power up your DC powered device. On this side, we have a ventilation grill with the cooling fan inside. Nothing in the rear. And on the other side, we have another ventilation grill. And on the top, we have the folding carry handle. A very nice and hefty folding carry handle, also nice and big, with some rubber non-slip hand grips down below. And although it is the same orange color as the rubber non-slip hand grips on the carry handle, these orange corners are just plastic like the rest of the housing. And finally, on the bottom, we have some non-slip rubber pads. Alright guys, so here I am out here in the field where there is no AC outlets, but I have my FlashFish power station and it is hooked up to a variety of devices here. So let me go ahead and introduce you to each one of them that it is charging up. So first off, we got the AC 110 volt connected to my DJI charge cable, charging up my DJI Phantom 3 battery as well as the remote controller at the same time. And we have the 5521 cable with the cigarette lighter connector connected to my DJI Spark charger, and it is charging up the DJI Spark battery. And I have a cigarette lighter connected to the cable that is charging up my hobby-made Speed H6 smart charger, which is currently charging my Sokokin 7200 milliamp 6S battery. And let's see here, next up I got the other AC outlet connected to my HobbyMate D6 Dual Pro charger, and it is charging up a couple of my 1500 milliamp CNHL batteries 4S. And let's see, on the USB side, I got a USB cable charging up my DJI Spark remote controller, and I have another USB connector charging up my phone. So that is going on all at the same time, and this thing is handling all the necessary devices that it is connected to. Just simply amazing out here in the field where there is no AC outlets.